Hello everybody, minasan konnichiwa. Today I'm walking along the Joo Chiat route towards the Marine Parade, Thompson East Coast Line. So join me for this nice walking tour. We'll see a lot of interesting buildings, shop houses, people and even pets. Look at these man, the fat elephant. A nice shop here. Hair studio for expats. Katong Point, the best avocado in Singapore. And look at this shop man, it's not a barber, they sell collectibles. So I to Katong Mall. I think they're building some stuff man. It's like, oh, so many interesting murals. Katong Joo Chiat has a rich history man, heritage history. The Peranakans are here. They live here at the Kusing, the route there. There are many private estates. So colorful shop houses. Peranakan means descendants, you know. So there's a Baba and Nonya. Baba is a male Peranakan and female is Nonya is a female Peranakan. And they actually mix the marriage, you know. They are descendants of mixed marriages, interracial. The Malay with Indonesia, Malay with Indian, or Singapore with Malay, Singapore with Indian also. And then they speak Baba Nonya languages, which is like kind of Malay mixed with Hokkien. And the women wear the kebaya, sarong. There are many streets, you know, in the Joo Chiat Katong area. Maybe take into consideration this is a mature estate. On the left side, there are some condos. In fact, I like this place so much. I came back today. Yesterday I was here also. The condo here for chorus. And there's a very big church of Singapore. Wow, look at that. You can see a few HDB on the left side, about 72, 74. And there's another mall opposite. They call the I Mall, quite ulu. Yesterday I visited it. And the OCBC side, that side is Parkway Parade. Right? And here we are, the Marine Parade, Thompson East Coast Line, SE3.